Hello, dear students. As we saw in last class, we are describing. Now we are describing things. As we already know, we use adjectives to describe someone or something. Remember, describe. How to describe? Before a noun goes a determiner. Here are some examples of determiners. Using determiners, here we have some examples. A dog, an helicopter, and the house. Those are determiners. Now, in order to describe, we need to follow an order of adjectives to create a long sentence. First, we have opinion, then size, and then quality. You can see three examples of each category. Then is followed by age, shape, and color. Next are origin, material, and the last one is purpose. Now, using this order, here we have some examples. A big fat dog, those funny little old Indian bugs, and some comfortable square pillows. As you can see here, it's not necessary to use all the categories. Just use the ones that you need that are important but following the correct order. Well done, students! Very, very good. Now, there we have some exercises. In the first link, we can find exercises related with the order of the adjectives. Very easy. And in the second link, we can find a little test with all the contents we saw in class. Good luck!